वतन में हो, प्यार से वतन में, उस मीठे से वतन में हो, अव्यक्त वतन में हम उड़ के चले जाएं, ओ हम उड़ के चले जाएं, उस प्यार से वतन में, उस मीठे से वतन में। जाना है वहाँ हमको जहाँ बाप और दादा है हो, जाना है वहाँ हमको जहाँ बाप और दादा है, बनना है संपूर्ण हो, किया बाबा से वादा है, जो बाबा से किया था वो वादा निभाएंगे। हम उड़ के चले जाएं, ओ हम उड़ के चले जाएं, उस प्यार से वतन में, उस मीठे से वतन में। बाबा हमारे लिए कर रहे हैं इंतजार घर ले जाने के लिए आकारी बन करके हम वतन में जाएंगे हम उड़ के चले जाएं ओ हम उड़ के चले जाएं उस प्यारे से वतन में उस प्यारे से वतन में उस मीठे से वतन में हो अव्यक्त वतन में ओ हम उड़ के चले जाएं उस प्यारे से वतन में हो उस मीठे से वतन में
took bhog to Baba, especially to be offered to Ishudadi on behalf of all of us. I gave Baba love remembrances, and Baba was accepting bhog and giving us not only loveful drishti, but very, very powerful drishti. And then Baba was looking at us, and then Baba said, "Do you all have any thoughts?" So I said, "Depends, everyone, but at least I thought I had this thought that uh, at least 2 dadis shouldn't go in 1 year." So Baba was smiling, but then I said, "Baba, I know that it's drama, it's accurate, it's beneficial, and Baba definitely has some new plan, new part for this soul." So after some time, when Baba accepted bhog, and I said it's for Ishudadi also. So Baba also then offered bhog to Ishudadi, and she was smiling. And there is no difference in how we see them here. Tadi, Ishudadi, very smiling, light. She was same there, very smiling. So Baba said that whatever you all thoughts you have, but look at her. She's same, she's very light, very cheerful. So then Baba asked her that, "Are you happy?" She said, "Not only happy, but I feel like I have reached my not only destination, but I have reached and I'm with you now. So there was this whole feeling of lot of contentment in her. And then Baba said, child, your role always had been with the yagya, for yagya. And now, because Baba said many things will change in yagya, so your part also has to change. But at this time, Baba said she's in very, very deep rest, so that whatever little experiences from the last few days through the body, they are completely healed and removed. And soul with total silence and in presence of Baba completely heals from all that from the body, so that when soul is ready to play part, she is very fresh. Baba said that since childhood, since she came, not only she had great intoxication of belonging to Baba, but lot of love, lot of respect, lot of appreciation and gratitude in her life. She was full of love for Baba. And when there is love, Baba said love is a great power. Everything gets nurtured, everything flourishes, becomes abundance when there is love. So because of our love for Baba, love for Yagya, love for unlimited family, she was able to take care of Baba's unlimited Bhandara. And also, she was very, very respectful. Respect for Baba, respect for all the children, respect for principals, and always appreciated deeply what she got as her fortune, as blessings from Baba. And every moment, even without saying, she was full of gratitude, thankful. And that was creating total contentment in her. So Baba looked at her and said, all these children, they have sent love for you. And she was smiling and opened her arms to love us, share love with us. And then Baba gave lots of love for all of us, and I returned. दो बाबा के पास गए भोग लगाने, ईशु दादी के अर्थ, ईशु दादी तो बहुत गहरे विश्राम में थी। का बाबा सारे परिवार ने याद प्यार और साथ में भोग भेजा है, तो बाबा ने खुद भी स्वीकार किया, दादी को भी कराया। बाबा ने कहा भी वो बहुत गहरे विश्राम में, साइलेंस में है, क्योंकि अभी नए पार्ट की तैयारी कर रही है। और बहुत महत्वपूर्ण पार्ट था यज्ञ के शुरू से लेकर के अब यज्ञ की समाप्ति होनी है, तो उनका पार्ट भी पूरा हुआ। उसके बाद बाबा ने कहा कि उनको वो स्नेह की मूर्ति थी और साथ साथ सबको सम्मान बहुत देती थी, क्योंकि सम्मान में थी तो सम्मान बहुत देती थी। और दिल से उनके बाबा के प्रति सभी के प्रति न केवल धन्यवाद की भावना थी, परंतु बहुत एप्रिशिएट उन्हें क्या मिला है और हम सभी यज्ञ के सहयोगी हैं, तो सबके प्रति उस प्रकार की एप्रिसिएशन भी बहुत थी। ईशु दादा की तरफ से, बाबा की तरफ से सभी को बहुत बहुत याद प्यार। ओम शांति।